The reason why we started thinking about putting solar in is I attended a Howard County Energy meeting about a year and a half ago and kind of heard all of the discussion, got interested, started making inquiries, and started the process with our board. So every year the Howard County Extension Council Board meets to talk about building repairs, building needs, equipment needs. So I brought forward the idea of solar power. We do own our building, so it is electrical heated. Our electric bills in the cold winters are high, and it was an avenue where we could possibly save some money and also investigate new technology. We had several meetings. We reached out to several companies. We invited Perry Novak to come and talk to us because none of us knew anything about solar energy and the processes that it would take. We reached out to Iowa State, the engineers there, asked their opinion, and they gave us some good advice on what we needed to be looking for. The Howard County Extension Council Board, the building committee, met many times, researched data. The decision really wasn't that hard for them when they saw the numbers, when they saw the requirement of what we would have to change in our building, which was very minimal. The decision was very easy for them to make, so we decided to go ahead. The Howard County Extension Council Building Committee, in meeting with John from Perry Novak, had several decisions to make: where to put the panels, how to put the panels, how to maneuver the installation. And because our roof is flat, we had to have a roof inspection, which went well and was very easy to do. It took an afternoon, ladders up on the roof, looking around. The panels do not damage the roof, and it was determined through a engineer that the roof is substantial to hold the load of the solar panels, which are not that heavy, but the amount of panels there equals some type of weight. The solar panels won't cover all of our usage because of limited roof space and limited panels that we were able to install, but it will significantly reduce the electric costs that we normally use in this office. The Howard County Extension Council buys or has electricity purchased through Alliant Energy, so in this process we had to sign an interconnection agreement, and that process was simple, accomplished basically through emails and phone calls. Very, very efficient, very easy. The ISU Extension Council in Howard County does not own the solar panels. We reached out to an investor who can receive tax credits for the process that we're using in Howard County. We are a government entity, so we cannot utilize the tax credits. So it's to the benefit of both of us that we are in this process together. So the process that we're involved in with the investor is with an agreement called a solar power purchase agreement. By utilizing the process with the investor sells us the energy or the power at a lesser rate than what we would normally get with a normal energy company. While we have the power purchase agreement, the savings is between 4 and 6 cents per kilowatt hour that the solar produces. We will not be in a power purchase agreement for 25 years. What happens is once the tax credits are used, we will buy out the contract, which equates to about 7 years' time. The meaning and purpose for solar for our ISU Extension and Outreach in Howard County is to be on the leading edge of technology and to show our clients, our stakeholders, and our taxpayers that we are working hard to maximize our resources. We want to set an example. We want to be a teacher, and we hope that people will follow our lead. We want to lead Iowans to be the best consumers of energy resources.